A good beginning is half done. Hi everybody, I am Manjula from Montfort School, DG Pudur, here to teach Hindi. Before we learn Hindi, let we know and compare the letters in all three languages, Tamil, English and Hindi. In English, letters are categorized into vowels and consonants only. So we can't relate the English letters with Hindi letters. In case of reading and writing, even in pronunciation of letters also. Pronunciation of Hindi letters and Tamil letters are nearly similar. Let me list the similarities. Firstly, as உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil, swar are the basic and essential letters in Hindi. Likewise, Vyanjan letters are similar to மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil. The combination of உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் and மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் is known as உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், which is similar to the letters of Barakadi in Hindi. Students, we already know how to read the words consisting of vowels and consonants letters and the words consisting of Barakadi letters. To read and write the letters and words of Hindi, some steps ought to be followed. This involves 3 steps. They are: Step 1. Dot letter usage. In Tamil, to pronounce the letter shortly, we place a dot above the letters. For example, if dot is placed above ka, it is read as ik. Similarly, to pronounce a letter shortly in Hindi, we must place a dot below the letter. But this method is applicable for few letters only, especially the words without a standing line in it. They are ich, it, id, id, id. Step 2. Half letter usage. This method is applicable for those letters which has a standing line. In this method, the size of letters are nearly halved. For example, ik and if. Apart from these two letters, other letters consisting of standing lines are used after the removal of standing line in it. For example, ik, ig, ig, ich, ij, ij, in, it, id, in, ip, ib, ib, im, I, il, iv, ish, ish, is, ich. Children, next we will come for special case. Did you notice we missed a letter? It is Ra. This letter can be used in 2 ways. They are: way 1. In Tamil, we use ik plus Ra as kra. But in Hindi, ik plus Ra is equal to kra. We follow this way for all combination of Vyanjan letters. For example, it plus Ra, tra. Ip plus Ra is equal to pra. Way 2. In case of combining the letters in Tamil, we combine them as such. For example, ir plus ka as irka, whereas in Hindi we don't. For example, ir plus ka irka. Notice, in this case, we convert the letter Ra into hook symbol and place it above the letter succeeding it. Here, we have to pronounce the hook symbol first and then the letter. For example, ir plus cha, ircha. The word is archana. Ir plus the, irda. The word is narmada. I hope you all understood. Let we continue the remaining part of Hindi reading in next session. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
Also, kindly visit our school website www.montfortcbscdgpudur.organize. Facebook page Montfort Senior Secondary School, DG Pudur. Thank you for visiting.